Welcome back, fellow content creators. Today we're diving deep into the world of streaming and content production, and we've got something truly special to share with you. Have you ever found yourself sifting through countless scenes, sources, and filters in OBS-studio, struggling to locate that one specific overlay or video filter you need to adjust or tweak for your live stream or recording? Well, fret no more, because I've got a perfect solution for you. In this video, I'm going to introduce you to a game-changing OBS LUA script that is going to save you time, energy, and frustration. Say hello to the Source Search Helper. I'll walk you through everything you need to know about this incredible script, from installation and configuration to advanced tips and tricks. By the end of this video, you will wonder how you ever managed without it. But first, if you haven't already, make sure to subscribe to this channel and ring that notification bell so that you never miss out on the latest tutorials and content. Now that you're fired up, grab your OBS Studio, fire up your computer, and let's dive into the world of the Source Search Helper. Alright, let's not waste a moment more. Join me with installing the Source Search Helper, or if you are already trained up on this, click the timestamp in the description below to skip this step. Installing this script is the first step. The journey begins with downloading the Source Search Helper script. I've made it easy for you by providing a direct download link in the video description below. Click on that link and it will instantly transport you to the official OBS resources page, where you will discover the script that you've been waiting for. While you're on the official OBS resources page, take a moment to show some love for the script that's about to supercharge your experience. Leaving a review or dropping a comment goes a long way in helping the community. Your feedback lets others know just how awesome this script is, so let your voice be heard and share the love. Without further ado, click that link and let's get started on enhancing your OBS setup. Locate the button to the top right corner labeled Go to Download. Give it a good click and it will whisk you away to the repository where the script file is hosted. Once the page loads, look for another button, this time at the top right, labeled Raw. Click on it to access the script in its raw, unprocessed format. Now, let's save the script to your computer. Simply right-click anywhere on the page. This will bring up a menu with various options, including Save As. Left-click on Save As to open the directory dialog window. Here's a crucial step. Before you proceed, it is essential to name the file correctly to prevent any issues. Click in the input field for file name and give your script a suitable name like Find Source Location. Don't forget to include the correct file extension at the end, .lua. This is crucial. If the file name doesn't end in .lua, OBS will not recognize it. Once you've named your file, simply click Save, and voila! The script is now downloading and will be stored in the directory you specified. Step 2. Once the download is complete, navigate over to the directory you specified. Once you've located the script you downloaded, let's swiftly get it into OBS. Here is how. Right-click on the script file to reveal a handy context menu. Next, click on Copy, and for the keyboard ninjas, you can also select the file and use Ctrl-C on Windows or Command-C on Mac to copy it to your clipboard. Now let's hop over to OBS. Navigate to the Tools menu and select Scripts. This will open up the script UI, which houses all your loaded scripts. We're about to add a new script. To do this, simply click the plus icon tucked away at the bottom of the left-hand corner of your script UI. Clicking it will open a directory dialog window. By default, this dialog window should open in the last directory where you saved your previous script. If not, you can locate the default script directory. A link to the default script directory will be left in the description below. Alternatively, find it wherever you've stashed your OBS scripts. Once you're in your target directory, here's where the magic happens. Right-click in the directory and select Paste. And for the keyboard savvy, you can just click in the directory and use Ctrl-V on Windows or Command-V on Mac to paste the file from your clipboard. Finally, to seal the deal, double-click the file or select it and hit the Open button On the directory dialog window, this will load the script into your OBS script index. And with that, you're all set to level up your OBS experience with this fantastic script. Let's start by taking a closer look at the form properties provided by the script. You'll notice that the script includes several key form properties: results, search focus, source type, source name, filter type, and filter name. Let's look at each in more detail. Results. This is where the search query results will appear, making it easy for you to see what matches your search criteria. Search focus. A drop-down list with 3 options: sources, filters, and sources and filters. This lets you choose what you want to search for. If you select filters or sources and filters, additional form properties become available. This allows you to configure searches related to filters applied to sources. Source type. A drop-down list that will automatically populate with all available sources in your OBS Studio setup. This lets you narrow down your search based on the type of source you are looking for. Source name. An editable drop-down list that will auto-populate with all available source names in your OBS setup. This allows you to quickly select the specific source you're interested in. This input field also allows you to type in the name you're searching for, and it also supports wildcard type name searches. Filter type. This works the same as the source type property, except it targets filters. Filter name. This works the same as the source name property, except it targets filters. Below these form properties, you will find 3 checkboxes: output results to text file, output JSON tree, and output results to script log. Output results to text file. Enabling this option will save the search results to a text file, making it easy to reference them later or share them with others. Output JSON tree. If you prefer a structured format, checking this box will output the results in JSON data, which can be helpful for more advanced scripting or data analysis. Output results to script log. Checking this box will send your search results to the OBS Studio script log, which can be helpful for debugging or monitoring your searches. Lastly, we have the all-important search button. This is what initiates the search based on the selected search properties. When you check either output to text or JSON, you will notice that a further input field becomes available. This allows you to select the directory where you wish the file to be delivered. If you leave this unchanged in the default setting, then your file will be generated to the same directory where the source search helper script is installed. Now, as promised, let's look at a tip for our advanced users looking to get the most out of the source search helper. Here we're going to explore a powerful feature that allows you to generate seamless visual graphs from a search result data using JSON. If you wish to gain deeper insights or visualize your search results, this is the perfect technique for you. I'll walk you through the process step by step. First, ensure you have the output JSON data checkbox checked in the search helper's scripts form. This will generate the JSON file with your search results. Once you've configured your search criteria and packaging preferences, click the search button to initiate the search. Now it's time to locate the JSON file. It should be in the output directory you specified or the default OBS Studio script directory. Open the JSON file in any plain text reader. Next, select all the file contents. On Windows, you can use Ctrl-A to select all, then Ctrl-C to copy the selection to your clipboard. Now, let's harness the power of visualization. Open your web browser and visit the website jasoncrack.com. On the website, you'll see an editor. Simply paste the JSON data you copied earlier by using Ctrl-V to paste. Watch the magic happen. The website will immediately process your JSON data and generate a seamless visual graph from your search results. You'll now have an interactive and visual representation of your data, making it easier than ever to analyze and understand your search results. Feel free to explore the graphs, zoom in, and manipulate them to gain valuable insights. And there you have it, a powerful tip to take your Source Search Helper experience to the next level by visualizing your search results seamlessly. We've covered everything from installation and configuration to advanced features, so you're now equipped to streamline your source filter, and collection management in obs-studio like a pro. Thank you for joining me in this tutorial. I hope you found it helpful and that the Source Search Helper script revolutionizes your content creation workflow. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. It's free and it helps to grow the community. If you have any questions or need assistance, please drop them in the comments below and I'll be happy to help. Thank you for watching and I'll see you in the next video.